Good morning, guys. I know my face looks puffy and I look a little bit crazy, but that's because it's literally 6 a.m. in the morning and I just woke up. You guys, I am so excited right now because my baby slept through the night for the very first time. I wake up and I am in engorging pain and I look outside and it's a bit bright and I look around and I see Milani just sucking away. For the very first time, she did not wake up. So I fed her from this boob last night, so this boob is fine. Around like 10:30, almost 11 o'clock, and this boob is in pain because I did not feed her from that. So now I wake up in pain. It is so swollen, so I run to the kitchen because I need to pump. I'm even filming right now because I got this new breast pump that I want to show to you guys. I am absolutely in love with this breast pump. So you guys know my breast pump is like really big. So because of how big my breast pump is, like I have to be stationed in one place every single time that I need to pump. Like I bring it with me. Like it's so huge. It's like a toolbox. I just carry it and they go with me. I found something that works better. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me put it together and I'll show it to you guys. So it looks like this. It doesn't have a lot of parts. It just has like 5 parts. So there's a little thing in here. You just stick that thing into the hole and then you put this inside here, and then it has this part. Cover it up just like so, and then it has a little thing like this. You literally just pop it on, and your breast pump is ready. It's literally so cute and simple. So you know, this is the nipple. You pop it into the nipple, you press the on button right here and it comes on. Alright guys, so it's currently on. I've popped it on and I am just going to go around the house and fix things a little bit before Melanie wakes up, because when we got back from the hospital yesterday, I just dumped literally her diaper bag is literally right on the ground by me. So I'm just gonna fix things around the house, which is what I love most about this pump, is that I can just go about my day, do my things around the house while I am pumping, and I literally don't have to sit in one spot to do it. If you guys are wondering, this is the Bvtra hands-free breast pump, and they were kind enough to give me 50% off for my subscribers. So if this is something that you would like, just check the description box. I have a link on there. Just click on it, and when you're checking out, just put in the code Tonia15 and you're going to get 15% off at checkout. Sometimes I feel so proud of myself whenever I am able to like find something nice for you guys and I'm able to get like a discount or something, just give you guys an information, something that I genuinely use that you guys will love. I feel so proud of myself. I'm just gonna go about my day now, fix things around the house a little bit. I know Melanie is gonna be awake soon and she's going to want to eat, so let's get going. Seriously, look at all the mess. Empty bottle, everything. I hate mess, like I hate mess.
Tonight